Okay, we're at the Knysna Elephant Park. We're going to go walk with elephants. We're going to stay here tonight. We're on our way to Port Alfred, but we're going to stay here for the night. We're going to go feed some elephants and walk with them. It's going to be amazing. Ew. Yo, look at our room. Some chairs here. King size bed. Short, stunning, eh? Wow. Our own little deck. There's a hardy dog saying hello to the elephants. Sleep here at night. So you can sit here and check the elephants out while you're sipping your wine and having a beer. Wow. What a treat. So we've come to the Knysna Elephant Park in just outside Knysna, more closer to Plet. And we're staying here for one night. So we have at 4 o'clock we have a walk. We walk out, take some food, we feed the elephants, then you walk back with them and put them into the enclosure. So you walk back with your own elephant and ride up close. It's going to be so awesome. Can't wait for that. I think it was in 1999. The elephants were rescued as young adolescents from mothers that maybe died from hunting. So the calves were rescued, and I think there's been 40 elephants through here. All females, because the males obviously when they go through must and they get aggressive, so they're all female elephants and have been reared, hand reared, so they from young, so they're pretty tame and they're just free to roam. They have the whole park to themselves. It's awesome. It's going to be such a lucky stay. Pity we're not staying here for 2 days. We've got our chow. We're going to feed the elephants.
Like the big one?
So amazing. They don't mind cameras.
Sally, you're so pretty. Sally, beautiful girl.
Jeez. Wow. Okay, we spent a night here at the Knysna Elephant Park, and we stayed inside of this building. The elephants come in at night to shelter from the cold or whatever, and you can actually hear them moving around. So you literally can see the animals from a little lookout spot, and they're 10 meters from you. It's pitch black, but you can just hear them moving around. It's such an amazing experience. They're so well looked after. They're all orphaned elephants that have been, their parents or mother has been culled or died in transit. So they, from a young age, they come here so they're hand raised basically. We're so well looked after. Huge spaces. If you can see in the distance there, they're walking around. And we walked with them yesterday up close, right next to them. It's such an amazing experience to see them up close. You can't see that in the wild. So I recommend coming here and spending a night. We wish we could spend another night, but we're moving on to Port Alfred now and getting on the road. 4 hours, Port Alfred.